Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to your English class. Hope you are doing well and enjoying our lessons. So, you know that we are learning describing words with me. We are learning that one, and now we have learned it well. So, as we have learned it well, today we will practice some things. Now, what will be the things today we will practice? Yes, I will disclose the matter and it will be a fun. So today we will do some matching regarding describing words. We all know that what are describing words? Describing words means those words who describe the various qualities of naming words. So come, let's find out and let's match the describing words. Now see, here is your matching. So what we have written here, come, let's read and I will do one thing for example, then you have to do the rest other things, okay? So you can take any of your English copy and then you can do it. It is not necessary that you have to do it on your school copy. You can do it on any of your rough copy also, okay? So come, let's start our today's topic, that is matching the describing words with the pictures. Now see our number A word, that is cold. C-O-L-D, cold. Cold means thanda. Now see on your right hands the pictures. Here on the second thing we have a picture of a snowman. So cold means snowman. Cold is describing the snowman. So we will write A beside the picture of snowman. No line matching, students. We will do the number matching. So we will put A beside the picture of the snowman. Very good. Now number B is sunny. 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 Sunny means a day with a bright sun. Here is a picture in the third category. That means in the third number, we have a picture with a bright sun. So we will put B beside that picture. We will put B beside third number picture. Very good. Now number C is happy. Happy, happy. So you can recognize which picture is telling you happy, describing the happy face. Now recognize the picture and numbering it with C. Yes, you can do it. Very good. Okay, so number D, we have hot. H-O-T, hot. Now, which picture is going to be hot? Is going to describe the hot. See the last picture, children. How is the picture? Is it hot or is it cold? So now recognize it. This is your part and numbering it with number D. You can do it. Now number E picture is telling you sad. S-A-D, sad. Now you find out which face is describing the sadness. Yes, that is your part and now you can do it. So find it and numbering it with, yes, number E. Very good. Now the last F number word is rainy. R-A-I-N-Y, rainy. And see, there is only one picture left. Now, you know what will be the answer. So please number the picture with F. Yes, here you go. Very good, children. I hope you have enjoyed these things. So I know you will practice it. So please practice it. Now, we will learn some sentences with describing words. Come, let's see what sentences I have for you. Okay, come with me. Okay, so first we will read the heading. What is it? Find an adjective, that is describing word. Read the sentences and highlight all the adjectives or describing words. That means you have to read the sentence, and you have to highlight the describing words. Today I have done it for you. Let's practice it together. Next time you have to do it. Okay? So come, let's practice. Number one is it, it, is, a, pretty, pretty, flower, flower. Now, what does it mean? It is a pretty flower. That means এটা হয় একটা সুন্দর ফুল. Now tell me, children, which one is the naming word here? Yes, flower. And which word is describing the flower? Yes, that is pretty. That means pretty is here the describing word. And see, here I have highlighted it with a color pencil. Right? Okay. Now see number 2. I have, have, a green, green, apple, apple. Now the meaning is আমার আছে একটা সবুজ আপেল। তাহলে এখানে আমাদের নেমিং ওয়ার্ড, what is the naming word here? Apple. Very good. Apple. And which word is describing the apple? Yes, green. Green. So this is the describing word and I have highlighted it with a color pencil. Now your part to practice it. Number 3 sentence, please see it carefully. I am reading it for you. My, little, dog, likes, play. My little dog likes to play. Now, my dear children, please find the describing word and highlight it with a color pencil. But be careful while you are highlighting. Lightly highlighted the word. Okay? So do it. Now our second sentence is dad give, gave me a yummy, yummy cake, cake. Yummy means tasty. Yes. So guess it which one is the describing word and highlight it. Yes, you can do it. So let's do it. Thank you for listening to me, children, and take care. Keep practicing. Bye bye.